Greetings! In today's video, I'll be taking a look at a box from the Papergang subscription box service. The first thing I noticed when I received this one is that it is much smaller in size than the previous boxes I received. As a comparison, you can see the size the boxes used to be. I don't think the size implies anything when it comes to the content. It's a good way to save on shipping costs, and a smaller box means less cardboard that ends up in the recycling bin. This new box is really cute, featuring squirrels and string lights. The back has a very cute "Make a Christmas Tree" cutout, but mine has the postage sticker on it, so I might not be able to salvage it. The box changed in size but not in function. It still features a sleeve cover and a craft cardboard box underneath. In the lid of the box, we have the usual reminder of how Papergang works. In the box itself are the items, nicely wrapped in tissue paper. One thing I noticed that the smaller box might help with is that there is less chance of the items moving around in transit. They fit much more snugly in here. The small paper leaflet is right there on the top. The visuals for the referral link info has changed from previous boxes as well, like the format of the box. The first page is still the list of items in the box, and the second page informs us that this month's featured artist is Mei Stoyva. There's a small, inspiring interview with them with really cute art. The last two pages are promo for Oh Dear, the company behind the Papergang box, and info about the charity they work with to help plant more trees. After the leaflet, I like to seek out the small calendar card, but it seems that they dropped this idea for this month. Instead, we have a cute card to use as a wish list. This was the January box, and it features a lot of things that can be used during the holidays. There are 3 cards with envelopes ready to mail out. They are blank inside. They are also very cute. I never really want to mail out the super cute cards. These would be cute as seasonal framed prints, too. Then I found a set of 3 gift tags. They are also really cute. Everything in this box is so cute. The next item is a funny postcard, definitely for the holidays as well. After that, I grabbed the first item that is not explicitly for the holidays. It's a really cute lined notepad. Like all their other notepads, this one is also quite thick and features nice paper. It is printed by Oh Dear in the UK. This box also features a really cute masking tape with a winter or holidays themed pattern. And lastly, the box contains 2 sheets of wrapping paper. This is again very timely for the holidays. Overall, I love that this box was themed for the holidays. Even with the Canada Post strikes, I managed to get this long enough before the holidays so that I would be able to use some of these to wrap gifts or mail out to family. Everything is great quality again, and the featured art is beautiful. I will post links to Papergang and Oh Dear in the description box, and also my referral link if you decide you want to try out this monthly stationery subscription box. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.